Let me take you through everything you need to know about the Riu Montego Bay, an adults-only all-inclusive resort that sits right on the stunning Mahoe Bay Beach in Jamaica. This place opened its doors back in December 2018 and has been making waves in the Caribbean resort scene ever since. With 453 rooms spread across 4 buildings on a massive 13-hectare property, this is not your quiet, intimate boutique hotel. This is where the party happens, where the drinks flow endlessly, and where the Caribbean sun meets modern tropical luxury. The resort proudly wears its 5-star rating and has been collecting awards like the TripAdvisor Travelers Choice 2025 and the Booking Guest Review Award for 2024 and 2025. The place is strictly for adults 18 and over, so if you're looking to escape the kids and just cut loose with your partner or friends, this might be exactly what the doctor ordered. The vibe here is lively, colorful, and unapologetically fun. Think vibrant tropical colors, open-air spaces that let the ocean breeze flow through, infinity pools that seem to melt into the horizon, and a party atmosphere that keeps going well into the night. Recent updates in 2024 and 2025 brought in new air conditioning units and refreshed linens, keeping things comfortable and current. Now let me walk you through what makes this place tick, starting with where you will be laying your head after a long day of sun, sea, and maybe a few too many rum punches. When it comes to accommodations at the Riu Montego Bay, you have got 4 main room categories to choose from, and every single one comes with all-inclusive perks including a premium liquor minibar that gets restocked daily. Let me repeat that because it is worth repeating. Your minibar gets refilled every single day with premium spirits. The standard rooms clock in at 37 square meters, which translates to about 398 square feet. You can get a king bed or 2 doubles, and every room comes with a balcony where you can sip your morning coffee while looking out over the gardens or pool area. Inside, you will find air conditioning, satellite television, that magical restocking minibar, coffee maker, a safe for your valuables, complimentary Wi-Fi, a hairdryer and iron, and even bathrobes. The standout feature in the standard rooms is the hydromassage tub, which is perfect for soaking away any tension after a day in the sun. These rooms can accommodate up to 3 adults, and while they are not huge, they are bright, cheerful, and decorated with that tropical flair that reminds you that yes, you are definitely on vacation in the Caribbean. Moving up the ladder, the superior rooms keep the same 37 square meter footprint but give you upgraded finishes and access to the Star Prestige program, which means you get an exclusive lounge and bar area that is a bit quieter and more refined than the main party zones. If you want more space, the junior suites bump you up to 50 square meters or 538 square feet. Here you get a separate living area, a king bed, and a sofa bed if you are traveling with a third person. The junior suite also comes with an espresso machine because sometimes instant coffee just does not cut it. Plus you get a welcome cocktail on arrival and discounts on spa treatments. The views from these rooms tend to be ocean or partial sea, which means you can watch the waves from your balcony. At the top of the accommodation pyramid are the full suites, which are a generous 72 square meters or 775 square feet. These come with a separate bedroom and a living and dining area, a whirlpool tub for those romantic evenings, and full ocean views that will make you never want to leave your balcony. You can even add butler service if you want to feel like royalty, and you get private check-in and a fruit basket waiting for you when you arrive. These suites can sleep up to 4 adults, making them perfect for 2 couples traveling together, or if you just want a ton of space to spread out. Prices vary depending on the season, with low season from May to October running around $250 to $450 per person per night, and high season from December to April jumping up to $400 to $700 per person per night based on double occupancy. These rates fluctuate, so it is always smart to check Booking or the official site for real-time pricing. The rooms get consistent praise for being clean and comfortable, though some guests mention they can feel a bit compact, especially the standard category. But honestly, when you have got an entire resort and a gorgeous beach to explore, how much time are you really spending in your room anyway? Now let us talk about food and drinks, because at an all-inclusive resort, this is where the magic really happens or where things can fall apart. The Riu Montego Bay does not disappoint with 7 different dining and drinking venues spread across the property. The main hub is the Montego Bay Main Buffet, which serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner from 7 in the morning until 10 at night. This is your classic international buffet with a serious Jamaican twist. We are talking jerk chicken that will make your taste buds dance, fresh seafood pulled straight from the Caribbean, colorful salads, and a dessert section that could be its own separate vacation. The buffet can hold over 400 people, so it is always buzzing with energy, and the dress code is casual, meaning you can roll in straight from the beach in your cover-up. They do theme nights too, with Jamaican night on Wednesdays being a particular highlight where they really lean into the local flavors. If you want something a bit more refined, you have got 4 a la carte restaurants that require reservations, which you can make through the hotel app. Crystal Fusion serves up Asian fusion cuisine with sushi, teppanyaki, and dim sum. The atmosphere here is sleek with neon lighting, and watching the chefs work the teppanyaki grill is always entertaining. They have a weekly sushi night that gets packed, so book early. Calypso Jamaican is the Caribbean steakhouse where you can get jerk pork, grilled lobster tails, and sweet plantains while listening to live steel drum music. The smart casual dress code means you should probably put on actual pants instead of your swim trunks, but it is worth it for the lobster alone. Lupita Mexican brings the Tex-Mex with tacos, enchiladas, and margaritas that go down way too easily. The decor is fun with colorful sombreros and festive vibes, and Taco Tuesdays are a thing here. The dress code is casual so you can keep it relaxed. Then you have got the bars, and this is where the Riu Montego Bay really shines. Bar Fusion is the swim-up bar at the pool, and yes, you can literally swim up to the bar, sit on an underwater stool, and order infinity cocktails without ever leaving the water. This bar runs from 10 in the morning until 6 in the morning, which tells you everything you need to know about the party vibe here. The sports bar is open 24/7 and serves pub snacks like burgers and wings while showing live sports on multiple screens. And the beach club bar sits right on the sand, serving tropical drinks with sunset happy hour being the perfect time to grab a spot and watch the sky turn pink and orange over the Caribbean. The food gets high marks from guests, with most people praising the variety and the quality of the seafood. Some reviews mention that the menu can feel a bit repetitive if you stay for a full week, and the vegan and gluten-free options are available but somewhat limited. Still, with 7 venues and daily restocking minibars in your room, going hungry or thirsty is simply not an option here. The pool and beach situation at the Riu Montego Bay is pretty spectacular. You have got 3 outdoor infinity pools, all adults only, which means no kids splashing around or doing cannonballs while you're trying to relax with your drink. The main pool is the largest and ranges from 1.2 to 1.4 meters deep, perfect for waiting around with a cocktail in hand. Then there's a quieter relaxation pool for when you want to escape the party vibe, and the swim-up pool with that famous Bar Fusion where you can order drinks without leaving the water. All 3 pools are heated during the winter months, which is a nice touch since even Jamaica can get a bit cool in the evenings from December through February. The pools are open from 10 in the morning until 6 in the evening year-round, and there are plenty of loungers available on a first-come, first-served basis. Pool towels are provided, and you will find waiters circulating to take your drink orders so you do not even have to get up. The pools can get crowded during peak midday hours, especially around the swim-up bar, which is something several guests have mentioned in reviews. If you want a quieter experience, hit the pools early in the morning or later in the afternoon. But honestly, the pools are fun and lively, and if you are here for the party atmosphere, you will love it. Now let us talk about the beach, because this is where the Riu Montego Bay really earns its keep. The resort sits on 300 meters of white sand beach with calm, turquoise waters that look like something out of a postcard. The beach is beautiful, clean, and perfect for swimming since the waters are protected and gentle. You have got loungers set up all along the beach with umbrellas for shade, and beach waiters will come by to take your drink orders so you can stay planted in your spot all day if you want. The resort provides free kayaks, pedal boats, and snorkeling gear so you can explore the bay at your own pace. If you want something more adventurous, they offer catamaran trips for an extra fee. The beach is technically semi-public, meaning locals can access it, but in practice it feels like your own private slice of paradise. The Montego Bay Marine Park is right there, so the snorkeling is actually pretty decent with colorful fish and coral to check out. Guests consistently rate the beach as one of the best features of the resort, with many saying it is the highlight of their stay. The sand is soft, the water is warm, and the views are absolutely stunning. Whether you want to be active with water sports or just lie there soaking up the sun with a book and a drink, the beach delivers. Activities at the Riu Montego Bay go way beyond just lounging by the pool and beach, though you could definitely spend your entire vacation doing just that. The fitness center is well equipped with treadmills, free weights, stationary bikes, yoga mats, and more. They offer group classes like Zumba and Aqua Gym, which are included in your all-inclusive package, and if you want more personalized attention, you can hire a personal trainer for about $50 a session. The gym is open from 6 in the morning until 10 at night, so you can squeeze in a workout whenever it fits your schedule. The resort also puts on a full schedule of entertainment and activities throughout the week. Beach volleyball is a daily option, and there are organized games and competitions if you are feeling competitive. Every night at 9, there's a show in the main theater area, and these range from live bands playing reggae and Caribbean music to acrobats, fire dancers, and DJ parties that go late into the night. Karaoke nights are a thing here too, and if you have had enough rum punch, you might find yourself up on stage belting out your favorite songs. Seasonal events include a carnival celebration in February and a New Year's Eve foam party that is apparently legendary. The entertainment staff works hard to keep the energy high, and if you're into the party scene, you will find plenty to do. If you want something a bit more cultural, the resort can arrange excursions to nearby attractions like Rose Hall Great House, which is about 12 kilometers away and offers historical tour for around $50. Dunn's River Falls is further out at 70 kilometers, but the hotel organizes bus trips so you can climb the famous waterfalls. The resort also promotes sustainability through the Riu Green Tax Program, which focuses on plastic reduction, solar panels, and reef protection initiatives, so you can feel a bit better about your vacation footprint. The Renova Spa is where you go when you need to recover from all that partying and sun exposure. The spa offers a full menu of treatments including Swedish massages, hot stone massages, facials, body wraps, manicures, and pedicures. The signature treatment is called the Jamaican rhythm massage, which uses local oils and techniques to melt away any tension. Treatments are not included in the all-inclusive package, so you will pay extra, with most services running between $100 and $200 depending on what you choose. The spa facilities include a sauna, a steam room, 6 treatment rooms, and a relaxation lounge where you can chill out before or after your treatment. You also get access to the gym if you book a spa treatment. The spa is open from 9 in the morning until 8 at night, and you can book appointments through the hotel app or at the front desk. Guests who have visited the spa give it solid reviews, praising the skilled therapists and the calming atmosphere. Some mention that the prices are a bit steep, but that is pretty standard for resort spas. If you're celebrating a special occasion like a honeymoon or anniversary, the spa packages can be a nice way to add some extra pampering to your trip. The junior suites and suites also come with spa discounts, so if you are planning to indulge, it might be worth upgrading your room category. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.